Spot endemic birds, the 10 of the best things to do in Madagascar. There are approximately 280 bird species in Madagascar. Although this isn't a particularly high figure for the fourth largest island in the world, a high level of endemism confirms its status as a prime birding destination. Over 100 species are Madagascar exclusives. There are three main regions for those in search of endemic birds: the eastern rainforest, the southern spiny bush, and the deciduous forests in the west. If you have limited time, try Ranomafana National Park, home of rarities like the short-legged ground roller and the yellow-bellied sunbird-asity. The best time for birding is in late spring or early summer, August to December, when birds are at their most active and are dressed in their finest breeding plumage.